What's up YouTube, it's Maestro, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to sample VST instruments to use in your Yamaha Montage and MODX keyboards. It's somewhat of the same steps as the previous video, only just a few extra steps involved. So one thing that you're going to need to know is that Sample Robot, or at least this version of Sample Robot, only works with VST.2 instruments. It will not work with VST3 instruments. So you will need to make sure you find some good VST2 instruments to use within Sample Robot. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to Extras. We're going to go to VST Host, and then this is where we're going to search for our VST2 plugins. Wherever you have your VST plugins loaded in within whatever DAW. In this case, we have FL Studio. So we will look for the name of the company that we're using for the VSTs, and then we're going to look for the VSTs. In this case, I just so happen to have an older version of a VST called Addictive Keys, so I will click that, hit open, and then what I would do would be to load. After I load that in, next thing I'm going to do is choose Open Editor. Then from here, I would choose any sound that I want, any grand piano sound, and then do any adjustments. So if I want a darker tone, softer piano, no effects, I would do that. I will come into Edit, make sure the velocity setting is all the way up. Make sure I choose any mic setup I want, any EQing. I would take out some EQing because I know most likely I'm going to EQ within my MODX. After that is set, what you're going to want to do is then go into your project wizard using File, Project Wizard. We're going to go through some of the same steps. Within this step, you're going to hit Plugin and Record. And then you're going to do, we'll say, a K for Addictive Keys. And then we're going to go to Next. We're going to go to 48 kilohertz stereo. Then we're going to go to the next channel. So the same thing we did with the previous video with the Nord, we're going to go MIDI program 1, 88 keys, velocity setting to 3, velocity layer to 3. Actually, sorry, velocity layers to 5. Key step is going to be 3. Then you'll hit Next. Note to 15. Hit Next, Finish, and then once you are ready, you'll hit Start. It'll go through the same process as it does with the Nord. Once you're done, you'll hit Save. You're going to actually hit Done. You're going to close out. We'll say Addictive Keys. Then we'll export. Export selected project as, select it as an X7L file, load it into your USB, plug your USB into your Yamaha MODX, look for the library file, and you're good to go. And then if you want, go back to the previous video where I showed you how I edited my sounds, and you can do the same for your VST sampled instrument. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. I'll get to you as soon as I can. If you would like or are in the market for a new keyboard and looking for the Yamaha MODX M, I will put a link in the description where you can get that keyboard. Also, if you are looking for some amazing gospel patches for your Yamaha MODX M, Montage, or MODX Plus, head over to maestroworld.com. We have some amazing patches for you. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.